继续走 stick。然后CC 这下个是继续，继续开始。马上。
But then you can leave.
2022, right? So I wasn't really focused on it that much because I was doing Isn't at the same time. But where I put all my energy into it was last year, 2023, around July. That's when I started putting more energy to DJ, you know. That's when I started working on
How old are you, Makanyan? How old are you? Because, okay.
How do you think I am? Take a while.
Maybe una 27.
No. I just turned 22 last month.
22?
Yeah.
Na man.
So I went about 2.
And then it's got some DJ still happy, like Anjali.
So during the week, I don't do much. I run my business, but through the phone. So I have time to see. My DJ most of the time is at night, so I have time for that. But most of the time, I take it as a weekend because you need to balance family, friends, you know, partners. So I usually gig mostly on weekends.
So, but then over an introducible DJ
to the game.
Yeah.
So I used to work at a restaurant in a bar like this, right? So we always had time, like before people start coming, come in the morning, and then the DJ booth was always open and stuff like that. So when I got there, I always had a passion for music all growing up, right? But I didn't know what I was going to do specifically, whether I was going to sing or do what, you know. So I gained a passion for that music DJing. I'm like, oh, I love making people happy through music. You know, music is it's a sport, you know, where you express happiness, you pass out energies.
And then in terms of genre,
Usually I started as a soul piano artist, right? So I transitioned into Afrobeat and Amapiano at the same time.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then so far, like, let's say I'm an inspiring producer. So far.
Okay, so far a person that I'm close with is Bongani Fasi, right? So I'm very close with him, and he's a producer.
Yeah.
What?
Serious?
He's on my contact list. Should I show you?
Bongani Fasi.
Let me show you.
Abantu bayaphila dog.
Bongani. Just the number disappearing messages, so no conversations. By the time I was gonna share our pictures together, you know. So I took inspiration from him because I've seen his work and what he does. So despite the bad, I don't look at that. I look at the good in people. So I got inspiration from him. Yeah.
And then DJ maybe like Bahama and imagine from a Princeton,
So initially, right, I was a host, a club host, right? So I used to host in different clubs. someone referred me to the owner of this place. Then I started hosting, and then he found out that I was also a DJ. He's like, "Wow, you're a DJ?" I'm like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Okay, you come play one day. I'll give you a try to see how you play." And then today's the day we're gonna do all of that.
So you were hosting Naipa Hama before?
Yeah, for the past 3-4 weeks. It's not been long since in Filalana, but yeah.
And then, okay, more perform. Do you dance?
Sometimes I have my days. If the crowd agrees, there are people who are energetic, vibey. Obviously, I have to pass out that because as a DJ, no matter how strong the song is, it won't give out that energy. Understand? So if you also give out that energy now, this will pass out to them.
Then I'm a dance move. Oh, Washaganja.
I try. It depends what I'm wearing.
Wow.
So today I can't dance much because of the things too tight.
I don't believe it's 22.
Yeah, 22.
What the fuck, Joe? Like,
Me 18 Zagabe at 22.
serious? Wow. Wow.
I get that a lot though, so no surprise.
Yeah, no, this one is beyond being surprising. It's more like I'm kind of flabbergasted, to be honest. Like, I'm believing, I'm thinking, wow. Okay, so maybe in terms of like musically,
Yeah.
how would you tell someone with like imali siyenza kanjena to music industry?
In the industry.
Yeah.
So you need to be very smart. You need to know who your people are. You must never let people take advantage of you. No matter how small you are, especially as an upcoming artist, right? You're gonna get exploited a lot and used. So if you have the right people like me, Amanda, a production team, right? So I don't have to go through all of that phase. Like, let me give an example. So a place like Bahama, right? The owner, obviously, you know these guys like girls, right?
Yeah.
So Mafulogdala, you need to sleep your way through and stuff like that. And that's how they take advantage of you. So that's like it's with the people you have. I have someone who does all of the negotiations for me, you know. But Nina, actually, they got me on Instagram the same way you got me. You understand?
Okay.
Then they reached out to me. They're like, we can see your potential and stuff. We can help you out, grow your brand. Because they deal with international gigs, mainly my production team.
Okay.
You know? So they call me for them. I'm like, I don't want to be limited in South Africa. I want to go out.
Yeah.
So hence, I decided to sign with them.
And then how did you come up with the name Queen?
Queen from high
With a
school.
K.
From high school, right? So they used to call me Queen Slider because my name is Slide, right? So the Queen, I was like, okay, it's a nice name, but the Q is overrated. You know? So I'm like, I wanted something different that's gonna stand out when they put it out. So I had to cancel the slides. I'm like, let me just put it as Queen with the K. You get it?
Kind of makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
That's
then, so far, how can you say you trust your manager?
Okay, in general, I don't trust anyone completely, right?
Yeah.
I'm smart enough to, let me see, I don't know how to put it, to oversee things. I'm an overthinker, right? So when something comes up, I analyze it. You understand? And get the root of it so I understand what's going on. If I don't understand something, I don't go for it. You understand? I need to fully understand it in order to. So I'm a trust issues are gonna be there, but so far he's never given me anything to doubt him or be like, "Hi man, I'm from Seven Zanaye." You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So are you okay with the fact that, you know, like I'm a record labels, you know, you get your cut, they get their cut.
Yeah.
So are you okay with the cut that they're getting?
So for now, I'm okay because I wouldn't be where I am right now if it wasn't for them. So they deserve all the credit. So far, I'm feeling nothing at all. I don't feel like that, you know. So I'm happy. I'm happy with that, whatever's happening right now, you know. So they were asking me the other day, they're like, do you see yourself working with us after your contract ends? I'm like, if all goes well, I don't mind. You understand? But so far, I'm happy.
Okay. I will explain a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
On my side, I thought with like maybe a contract is 7 seconds. Maybe let's say you're under a certain record label.
Yeah.
And then they'd be like, you know what, sizobe presenter for maybe let's say 5 years.
Yeah.
And then during that 5 years, maybe uskiphele maybe 2 albums at least.
Yeah.
And then maybe at least 3 singles.
Yeah.
And then what's gonna happen if let's say after 5 years
Yeah.
or such